All right, let's go, baby. So, hold on, you can see my underwear. I I've been filming on this GoPro for my vlogs, and my vlogs have been okay. They've been great and everything, but I haven't been able to talk because I can't talk to that thing. I don't know him. I don't know who he is. I've had him for a while. I've had little Mr. GoPro Hero 11 here for a good little while. I got him the year he came out for Christmas. It's just weird. I can't talk to him. You're my friend. This right here. This whole situation right here, you're my friend. I know you're my friend. Yeah, you're my friend. Not him. You are. You're him. Anyways, this big fucking window right here. This big fucking window right here. I'm upset. I loved looking out before they cut this freaking tree down. Look, okay, let me zoom in. This tree was big and voluptuous. You couldn't even see that gas tank, that atrocious gas tank. It looks like it's in fucking Aladdin or something. See that brown pile of shit? That was all green 2 weeks ago and it was attached to that. But somebody decided to come fucking cut it down. But guess what? The property fought back, and you know what happened? The motherfucker broke down. Yes, the fuck he did. And when he broke down, he left the shit. He left all that shit. So now guess what? That's my view. And it's gonna be like that for a while, I bet. I bet it's gonna be like that for a while. And that's a whole fucking marine industry boat business behind my house. A fucking boat business. A boat business. I can see all the motherfucking piles of trash from the hurricane in the boat business. Anyways, how are you today? I missed you. I missed you so much. I've seen you. I've been seeing you. But I haven't been able to talk to you properly because we haven't had a good line of communication. But here I am, I'm talking to you and I missed you and I loved you so much. I love you so much. Oh my God, I love you so much. I want to, oh my God. Girl, get your sea leg going. So I want to use the Murphy oil. Oh, hold on. The vine for today. The motherfucking vibe for today. Well, later on we gotta go get my... Anyways, hello. Hi, I'm here. The vibe today is Murphy oil. I want to try this Murphy oil. I was gonna go ahead and try it now, but the problem is everything's a fucking mess in my gosh dang house. Exhibit A. Boom, bow, ping. Exhibit B. Oh, bing, pow, look at all that laundry. Holy shit, look at this messy ass pet corner. Oh, you're all the way zoomed in. Hold on. Why didn't you tell me? There you go, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, we're gonna be in trouble for that one, Chloe. Oh my God. Anyways, so I got a lot to do real quick. I'm just gonna like speed tidy and then Murphy oil. And also later I have to go get a grocery pickup. More like snack pickup, baby, because I didn't get no motherfucking groceries. Just chicken. Should I do the time lapse on the GoPro so you can see me cleaning on the GoPro with the time lapse on the GoPro? I don't know why I'm such a GoPro hater all of a sudden. Or should I just let you see me on here? Does this have a time lapse? Let me see. I'll be back. I'm gonna see if this camera has a time lapse. I'm gonna see if you have a time lapse, my little buddy. Yo, baby, yo. Okay, we're back, but I gotta pee real quick, bitch. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's get in real close for this, so I can't get too close because my camera's on the charge. Is this close enough for you bitches? Is this close enough for you motherfuckers? Oh, sorry, that's a bad word. Motherfuckers is a bad word. Something like that. Yeah, there you go. Can you see the people on the floor? Yeah, but that's okay. Nasty shit out of the way. Okay, bitch. How to get the camera right, motherfucker? What the fuck you mean, bitch? Okay, so this is my table. My table. I washed it off. And we got this table for free. I do have all 4 chairs, mind you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why they're all spread out right now. Don't ask me questions like this, bro. Okay, don't come at me, bro. Don't come at me. Okay, so we have Murphy Oil wood. Let me hold on. Let me get in frame. We have Murphy Oil wood cleaner and we have paper towels. I don't know how to use this stuff. Finished wood surfaces. How do you use it? How do you use it on like oil soap? The original oil soap. How do you use it on this? How do you use Murphy's? I don't know how to use this. How do you use it? Okay, we're just gonna open it, bro. I think it's soap, isn't it? Shouldn't I have water? I gotta just do this. I just do this. Oh my god. Oh my. I'll do half the table. And I'll leave the other half. Wait a damn minute. So do I not wash it off, right? I don't rinse it. And just leave it be. I need a microfiber rag, dude. That's fine. Bloop. Bloop. Murphy soap. Murphy oil. Murphy wood cleaner. Concentrated wood cleaner. So this is supposed to be mixed with water. Is this Murphy oil or Murphy soap? All right, so that looks nice. There you go. There's the Murphys. The fuck? Come here. So guess what? I got my camera to work. There you go. Oh. Oh. I'd be carrying groceries. Wait! Groceries, baby!